Mercury Marauder. The ultimate sleeper. I like the Marauder. I know what you got.
Thank you.
This thing's great.
Thank you.
Oh, that sounds good. Total Q ship. Love them minis. Sweet little Chevy, about 38, 39, something like that. 454 under the hood. Beautiful rod. Pretty good. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Absolute pleasure.
I brought this instead of the police cars this time.
Okay. You got to exercise. It's a perfect day for it.
Have a good one.
With the
Thank
top
you,
down.
Good seeing you guys.
It's gorgeous.
Have a good one.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Oh, this is lovely. This is with the skirts and everything. But what a pretty little deuce. Nice. Little DMC up right, a DeLorean, folks. Hello. Automatic, nice, nice, nice. I like it. This is a lot of fun. Put in DeLorean in there. I got a short video of DeLorean on a autocross track.
Oh, okay.
A little bit embarrassing, but it's fun. Everything comes out. Oh, that's visual reality. Great show, folks. Great show. Oh, getting out of focus there. One mean ass that. That is sick. Oh, look at this guy. He's done up for Halloween. Oh, that's great. That is great. I swear, every time you turn around, you fall in love. Nice little Wagoneer. Two-door, too. I'm sorry, a Cherokee. Cherokee, folks. Nice Camaro. I gotta get this key. All right. That's beautiful. What a nice sound. Of course, if you have a DeLorean, you have to have a Bricklin. Love the brick. SV1, Safety Vehicle 1. They were originally powered by the, Ramblers, if I'm not mistaken. Then they switched over to Fords for the last couple years. Yeah, Malcolm Bricklin did a very interesting job. Built in Canada. It's a composite body. Very interesting. What a way to cruise home. Little 60 drop top. Look at that. For more cool events like this, make sure you check northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.